Yeah, so you're welcome. In this video, I will show you 10 powerful keyboard shortcuts that are gonna make you more smarter than anybody else at your place of work. If you are using computer day in, day out to work, and this shortcut that I'm talking about gonna save you a lot of time and make you more smarter than anybody else, because only few people know about these shortcuts I will be exposing to you today. This can save you more time and make you more productive at your place of work when you apply them every day, because they just gonna make things easier for you and save more time, make you more productive, make you more smarter, and make you be ahead of everybody. Because things you need 2 or 5 minutes for, you can simply achieve them within seconds. Okay, but before we dive into that, I am Ola from Amatip IT Consulting Limited, all the way from London, United Kingdom. This is our gift to you today. Okay, so let me show you the powerful 10 keyboard shortcuts that will make you more smarter after this video. Okay, stay with me. Let's go straight into the system. Okay guys, in this video I will show you 10 powerful keyboard shortcuts that can make you more smarter at your place of work, most especially if you are using computer at your place of work. Okay, so this powerful shortcut on your keyboard will make your work more faster and faster. Okay, so let's get started. The first one we're going to talk about is window key plus letter V. So let me show you on my screen keyboard here. This is your window key plus letter V. What this can do for you is that, assuming you want to copy different things and you want to paste them different time. For instance, let me show you how it works precisely. So let's assume I have a document here and I want to copy different area of this document. For instance, I want to copy this area, Ctrl C, and at the same time I want to copy this area. Copy that, Ctrl C, and let's assume I want to copy this line as well, Ctrl C. I can copy everything at a go like that, Ctrl C again. You can see that I have copied, I can even copy the image, Ctrl C. You can see I have copied different things, also Ctrl C, I've copied that. And all those things, you know, if you go back to another page where you want to use those things, for instance, let's assume we want to use it here. So if you just do Ctrl V, it will paste what you copy last. But that is different from what we want to achieve. We want to able to paste any of different things that we have copied. So in that case, we need to press window plus letter V. You can see now it brings out everything that I have copied on my keyboard. So I can just scroll to the one I want to paste. So let's assume I want to paste this one, I will just click and paste it. So let's assume I still want to paste another one, I will press window plus V again, click on it, paste. Let's see, scroll down, let me window plus V again, scroll to any other one. Let's assume I want to paste this one, paste. So continuous, you can continue pasting different one without go back and copy again once you have copied every aspect that you need. Okay, so you can see that is how to use that one. Window key plus what? Letter V. Window key, this is your window key plus letter V. You can see it's opening it up here. Okay, that is that one. So let's move to another shortcut. The next shortcut we'll be talking about is window key plus full stop. Window key plus full stop. And what this will do for you is that this can give you emoji. So for instance, let's assume maybe on your face, you are on your Facebook or WhatsApp or anywhere, you want to use emoji in your work, and the easiest way and the fastest way to do it is what? Window plus full stop. So just press window plus full stop. This window plus full stop. You can see it gives us different emoji that we can use in our work. So you can just click and you get the emoji just like that. Then you can see different symbol. So this one is also useful if you need any symbol on your keyboard and you don't know where the symbol is. What you need to do is what? Window plus full stop. You can see, then you can navigate to anyone you want. So if it's this, anyone, as you click, it's already there. Okay, so window full stop, then you have it. You can see you want to use any symbol, you don't know where it's it, just use that and you are good to go. You can see, then if you want to use any emoji, that is the second shortcut. So let's move to the third one. The third one is Alt key plus tab key. So that is very good. For instance, you have different windows open on your system and you want to move from one window to another. So you can just click on Alt and tab. So you can easily navigate to any window that you want to open. You can see. So anyone you navigate to, it will just open it for you. Okay. So that is just it. So that is number 3. So let's move straight to number 4. And this number 4, I'm very sure is going to be useful to you almost every day, depending on the type of work you use your computer for. So for instance, if you want to screenshot anything on your system, you don't need to look for any special app or software to do screenshot. All you need to do is to press Window plus Shift plus S. That is Window key plus Shift plus S, and that will open screenshots for you. Then you can just click and you can just drag and screenshot wherever you want to screenshot. That is, once again, Window, Shift and S. That is the shortcut for screenshot. So we can just screenshot whatever we want to screenshot, and we have screenshots, and we can paste with Ctrl+3. So if we Ctrl+3 now, you can see this is what we just screenshot. That is the area we selected. Okay, that is number 4. Let's move straight to number 5. This one is going to be very, very useful to you, because for instance, let's assume you are working on your system. Maybe somebody just working and you don't want that person to see what you are doing, and you got only 1 second to close everything down. What can you do? You just need to press Window and letter D. You can see it will minimize everything on your screen to the desktop. Okay, and if you want to go back, you can just press Window plus D again. That is the Window key plus D will minimize all your window. Okay, that is about that. So window key plus Z back, it will bring everything back. That is number 5. You can see it take you less than a second to achieve that, compared to if you are moving your mouse to minimize all the window that you have opened. You might have opened many window and you can minimize all of them once with that shortcut, window plus D. Okay, number 6, window plus tab. This one also work like the number 3, which is what, alt plus tab. So their work is similar. You can as well do what, window and tab, window tab, window tab. So that also can show you different window that you have opened on your system. Then you can easily pick the one that you want to pick from there. Okay, so that is number 6. So let's dive into number 7. Number 7 is also another powerful shortcut key on your keyboard, okay, which is what, window plus S. Window plus S. This is very powerful because it's like open the entire system menu for you. You want to go to setting, you want to go to access device manager, anywhere you want to go to on your system, this one shortcut can take you there. And what is that? It's window plus S. Window plus S. You can see, if you click window and S, you can see it's open. Let me move this one to the side and try again. Window plus S. You can see you have all the necessary menu you need on your system, like the settings. If you click here now, it takes you to settings, where you can do anything you want to do on your system. You can see the save or everything you want to do with just that shortcut. Let's try it again. Window plus S. Then let's zoom. You want to go to task manager, and you can see bunch of different menu that you can quickly go here. So task manager, it will open task manager for you. So just that shortcut can make you more faster. You might be looking for a particular setting on your system, you don't know where is it. Yep, just press window plus S, then to show you all the necessary settings menu like this. Then you can click any one you are going to, then it will take you there. Number 8. This one is also powerful. Almost every day you're going to need it. You are going to be using this one almost every day at your place of work, which is what, window key plus letter E. Window plus letter E. Guess what that will do for you? It will open File Explorer for you. Every day you want to open 1 or 2 files on your system, and to achieve that, instead of navigate to menu for menu, click file, all those things, it's a long process. You need to optimize your time. Okay, so just use the shortcuts, which is what, window key plus letter E. So we can practicalize that again, and you will see the result. Window key plus letter E. It will open your File Explorer for you, and you can simply select the file you want to select. Okay, That is that about number 8. So let's move to number 9. Okay, so for instance, maybe your system is hung, you're unable to do anything, you need to close down some application or software for the system to work perfect again. Everything is not working, you can just go to task manager and stop whatever you want to stop on the system. Okay, so to go to task manager, you just need to press Ctrl Shift Escape. That is Ctrl Shift Escape, and that will open task manager for you. So all you need is to locate the app that makes the system hanging. Maybe you open a particular software, and once you open, after you open it, your system gets hanging, you are unable to do any other thing, you need to close that software for the system to come back to normal. So just come here, click on it, and click on end task. Okay, so and it will definitely end it. So let's use this setting. For example, if we click on end task, it will close that application on our system. That's just it. And the last one, number 10, very, very powerful, and I see it as a security shortcut. The reason being that, for instance, they are assuming you got only 1 second, even less than 1 second, to shut down your system, to lock your system so that anybody did not get access to your system. You got only less than a second to do that. So if you want to be using your mouse to move here and there, to menu, to start, to minimum, to lock, sleep, store down, whatever, it might take you more than a second. But if you use this powerful shortcut, you see what's gonna happen. But before I show you the last one, if you like to be receiving informative information like this that will increase your productivity as far as computing and informatics is concerned, kindly follow, like, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, thank you. Number 10, window plus L, window plus letter L. And the funny thing about that is that immediately I press that now, my computer will lock up. So it takes you less than a second to press window plus L. This is window. If I click on L now, letter L, the system will lock automatically, immediately. So that is very, very useful. If you got a very less than let's say milliseconds to lock your system for somebody to have access to your system, just imagine whatever can happen that can lead you to that kind of situation. So, or maybe you quickly want to leave your office to somewhere and you must lock your system before you go. You've got no time. Just press window plus L, and that's the end. Your system will lock. Okay, if I press now, that means goodbye. My system will lock.